And I do think that this country has a fear of African American people who are descendants of slaves, which is why whenever a black person is being put into a high position in society, it tends to not be an African American descendant of slaves who's married to another black person. It'll usually be something that is a little bit safer, and so that's what I see. That's what I believe. So I you know, and here's the thing. I'm not asking you to believe what I believe. I'm asking you to believe what you believe. You're supposed to believe what you believe. I believe what I believe, and we're supposed to learn from each other. We're not supposed to fight it out. They want a civil war in the black community. They want us divided. They want us beating each other up, cutting off our relatives, trying to cuss each other out, and fighting over this election. And I'm not going to do it with you. I'm not. I told DL I'm not going to fight you. I didn't tell him. I'm sorry. I literally sat there in silence. I said not one single word. I was like, if we can't talk like grown men, then I don't want to. I don't have anything to say to you, right? So same thing. I'm gonna say the same thing to y'all. I'm not going to fight you about who's the better option between the lesser of two evils. I don't get into that. The lesser two evils, that's like oppression talk. Only oppressed people are like, well, I can either get my ass beat or I can get stabbed and robbed. Which one's better? Well, no, it's really better to get stabbed and robbed. No, it's better to get your ass beat. I don't want to argue about that. I don't want to argue about two terrible choices. Like, just pick one and move on about your business. Get to the business of doing something that actually matters. That's what I think is a better approach. But then again, that's just my 2 cents. Not telling y'all what to do. Can we agree? Give me a yes if we will agree. Let's be conscious. Give me a yes if we agree that we can disagree on politics and still love each other at the end of the day. Give me a yes if you are okay with this. Give me a yes if you can commit to this. Give me a yes if you will woosah your way out of heated political conversations and not be out here cussing out your own damn sibling because they voted for somebody other than you. I think that's wrong. I think that's oppressive. I think that is highly unintelligent behavior, and we're not trying to be that. Got it? Okay, great. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to get on out of here. Tonight, we're doing our book club meeting. We're reading Powernomics. Tonight, I'm actually going to read from the reparations manual called Black Labor, White Wealth, which is where we did all the work and they got all the money, and Dr. Anderson has all the receipts. So, Kamala, if you're watching, you don't have to go study reparations. The study has been done. It's been done by a man named Dr. Claude Anderson, and we're going to do that tonight at 8:30 Eastern. It's totally free to the community. Just bring your family. And if you want to be notified when we go live, text the word greatness to 87948. Text greatness to 87948, and I will invite you to the book club meeting. And also, if you want to get started in your wealth building journey, we have a great training called Black Money 101. You can go to blackmoney101.com and we'll get you started, get you going. That's kind of what we do in the Black Business School. So anyway, God bless you. And thank you to everybody who came to the All Black National Convention. It was sold out as it always is, completely packed, had wonderful people, a wonderful time. It's a big Black family reunion where we're all learning from each other and help each other grow. And I assume if you were there, you probably feel the same vibe I felt. It was absolutely amazing. Maybe you guys can make it next year. We'll be in Atlanta in August. So it's allblacknationalconvention.com. Have a good day, everybody. God bless you. Thank you guys for listening. I appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.